Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing. On the application of Snapchat, we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will scrolling down until you find this application of Snapchat and we click here. Then in this page of app info, we go to first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.